Alright, you guys, so I'm going to be making a paper bead bracelet out of some paper beads that I created like a long time ago. I'm going to try to get it to focus so that you guys can see. There you go, what they look like. They are all glazed up, they are ready to go. And at first I was going to use and do like some an elastic bracelet, but that's not really my style. I love like the memory wire bracelets that have like a couple layers to them. So I'm gonna do a 2-layer memory wire bracelet as well as a matching pair of earrings, and I'm actually going to pair it up with some polymer clay beads. I hope it look right. I don't really know. And I'm also going to put some of these little spacer beads in it. I did just do a really big order of like a bunch of beads, a bunch of spacer beads, but y'all, who can wait on that? I can't wait. I just can't wait. I need to get the crafting down. So hopefully it turns out cute. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, so I am all done, and I ended up actually doing 2 sets of earrings and 2 sets of bracelets. And this one, I just used elastic cord. I said I wasn't going to, but I was like, you know what, I'm going to do it anyways. So I did. And actually, when I did this, instead of like tying the ends and then, you know, putting glue on it, I was like, why do I keep doing this? I really don't like how that is, and sometimes the end of it can be scratchy. So I just used a crimp bead, crimp the 2 ends together, and then because this end is so big, I can just hide it inside of the paper bead, and you just, like, you can't see it. It's gone. It's disappeared. So y'all, I really like these. Like, I'm in love with these. And this one, I think I might add a little dangle piece just because I love being extra. Yeah, and then for these, I did 2 because I couldn't figure out which one I was going to like. Like, I love hoops. Like, I just love hoops. It's my jam. But I felt like this looked a little bit too plain. So I jazzed it up a little bit with the little dangle earrings. Y'all, I'm in love. So I ended up doing 2 pieces. I still got 1 extra left over. So in all, I only used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me see. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 beads. 15 beads, 2 different bead sets. That's not bad in my book. I mean, not bad at all. If you have any questions at all or would like for me to do, you know, give more detail, just let me know. I do think I'm going to add a charm because looking at it, like, it needs a charm. It does. It needs a charm. And not even nothing very big. Like, it could just be something small. Like, yeah, I'm about to add that on. That's for sure getting added on, like, right now. Right now. In the middle. But, again, like I said, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And as always, oh my gosh, I love it. And as always, I will see you guys very soon. And it's like, the one thing I love about the charms is, like, I just like the dangle. Like, I just like the feel of it on the inside of, like, my wrist. Like, I just love it. It just draws people's attention to right there. But you can also wear it on the outside. Like, there is no right or wrong way to wear a memory wire bracelet. Like, it's solely on you, how you want to wear it. But yeah, I love it. Love, love, love how these came out. So I will see you guys very soon. Bye.